Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete a YouTube channel in 2020. So first of all, if you're new to this channel, kindly consider subscribing and pressing the bell icon so that you can get notified. And so let's get started. So first what you need to do is go to Chrome and type in youtube.com. So I already loaded it, so I'll go to my channel icon. So you need to click on a channel icon and then you will get an option called YouTube Studio. So click on the third option, YouTube Studio. So once you click on YouTube Studio, a new page appears. In this page, what you need to find is Settings tab. So click on Settings option, and then you will get another window where you need to click on Channel. So click on Channel and then go to Advanced Settings. So the second option will be the Advanced Settings. So click on Advanced Settings. So then you need to scroll down until you find Delete or Hide Channel option. So click on Delete or Hide Channel. So once you are through, you will get a Gmail verification. So click on your Gmail password. Sorry, enter your Gmail password and click next. So it will load the next page. So in the next page is the critical page. You want to delete or hide or delete. So if you want to hide, you can go for the first, but I want to delete, so I'll go for I want to permanently delete my content. Tick the checkbox and then go and press delete my content. So it will ask for a confirmation. So if you want to delete your videos playlist, like in everything, so what you need to do is type in your channel name. So in my case I have How2Tech, so I will type How2Tech. So the exact wording should be there. So then you need to click on delete my content. So once this is done, it will be deleted, but it will take some time, sorry. So based on your couple videos and subscriptions, it will take time. So thanks for watching. That's it guys. Hope you guys like this video. Kindly consider subscribing and pressing the bell icon.